Alan, important question. Sorry to interrupt you. What happens like right now if you just sneeze like really, like really bad?
I sneeze, I lose.
Yeah.
You get used to it, you know. It's like working in the kitchen or whatever, you know. So you get used to it.
And then here are the two-tone subs that I was telling you. So you have here, you have a 40 or 41 millimeter. This is a root beer. These are interesting if you do like rose. And then obviously the blue sub, which is a classic. And then that one has, they did that dial for only a few years, which is that gloss blue instead of that sunburst blue, which is dark metallic blue. I like that color better because it pops more. So I don't, like I told you, I don't care for two-tone watches. However, I do own one, and it's this one right here. You could see this has that metallic blue color. That's a very interesting piece as well.